Hello guys, this is Lamin Sani of LSWAT Apps. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can select the previous element to your current selection. Okay, so what do I mean? Let's say you have selected this link tag here. Now you want to select the previous element to it. Say there is another element on the left hand side of the link tag, or let's just say this span tag here, some span, and we want to select this here. So how do we select this link to CNN link? Let's go ahead and see that. Okay. So this span tag here has a class of span2, and this one has a class of span1. So in order to be able to select the element right before it, let's see how we can do that in JQuery. Okay, so let's just go ahead in our browser, refresh that. So I'll just be using the console for this tutorial. Different tutorials I'll be going back and forth between using the console and I'm using the main.js file. Okay, just so you are used to both ways of trying out stuff. Okay, so I'll just say var I equal to, so I equal to the span. So which span are we trying to select? The one with the class of span. So we'll say $, and we'll open passing a string dot span. Okay, we'll press enter. Now when I check what's in I, it's going to be that span tag. So I press I and it's that span tag. As you can see, when I hover over it, it's highlighted up in the top part of the browser. Okay, so let's try to select this link tag here. We can say let's say var a equals to I.prev. There is a method in jQuery called prev, P-R-E-V. So when you call it without passing any argument, it just gives you the element right before the one that you've selected. So we selected this span tag, it's going to give us the link tag. So let's press enter. Let's just check what's in A now. When I press enter, it should be that link tag. As you can see, we have been given that link. Okay, so that's the default way of using the previous function to get the element right before the current selection. But what if your current selection is many elements and you want to filter it down? Let me just create a quick scenario. Let's say there is another span tag here with a class of span. Okay, let's say some span tag. All right, so we go back in the browser, refresh, and then we say var I equals to $, and we select span. So now if I check in what's in I, it's not just one element that's going to be selected, it's two, because there's two elements with the class of span. So it's this first one here and this second one here, as you can see, being highlighted in the browser. Okay, so when we call prev on these elements, what do you expect to see? Because we have this element here and there's one element right before it, and we have the second one here, and we have another link tag. So as you may guess, it's going to return two elements back as the prev, because we are saying give me the previous of both those. Okay, so let's say a equals to not $, I.prev. Remember, I is where our span tags are stored in. So when I check in what's in A now, we should get two link tags. As you can see, this link tag here and this one. But what if we wanted to filter it out to just the link tag with, let's say, this first link tag here? Okay, so we can do that in two ways. We can give a class to any of these and then pass in that class, or we can use the attribute selector, as we have learned. So we can say a equals to I.prev. So we're overwriting a, but now we're not just saying give me the previous ones, we're saying give me the previous ones which has give me the previous link tags with an attribute of href, and wherein href has the value of google.com. So that should give us the second one here. Okay, so now when I press enter and I check in what's in A, we should see that A has only the second link tag but not this first link tag, because we have filtered it by passing in some string here inside of the previous function. Okay, so that's it guys, that's how you use the previous selector in jQuery, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye bye.